AI in healthcare, it's everywhere you look.
Seems like it. Every day, a new headline.
But is it all hype? Or is there something really revolutionary happening?
That's the big question.
Well, you sent in some articles on Adtalem Global Education and Hippocratic AI. Seems like you're looking for a deep dive, and guess what? So are we.
You got it. Let's cut through the noise and see what's really going on.
All right, so
Papa?
Adtalem, they're a big name in healthcare education, right?
Huge. Leaders in the field.
And they've partnered with Hippocratic AI. Sounds like they're using AI to change how healthcare professionals are trained.
And not just the training, the goal is to really level up the quality of patient care, too.
Okay, so how are they doing this? What makes this approach so different?
It's this really cool blend of human experience and AI. They're not trying to replace doctors and nurses with robots, which is what people always jump to.
Yeah, I get that.
It's more about giving healthcare professionals super powerful tools.
Like what? AI assistants?
Kind of. Think of a nurse practitioner, tons of experience, but now they've got AI that can sift through patient data in seconds, helping them diagnose faster and more accurately.
Makes sense. I was reading about AI-powered tutors and simulations in one of the articles you sent.
Oh, yeah, those are game changers, like flight simulators, but for medicine.
Exactly. So doctors and nurses can practice tricky procedures or, I don't know, respond to rare conditions, all virtually.
Exactly. One article talked about a simulation for nurses dealing with a really unusual allergic reaction. They could actually practice giving different meds, different dosages in the simulation before having to do it in real life. Pretty amazing.
That's incredible. And think about what that means for patients. Faster diagnoses, fewer mistakes. It's got to lead to better care overall.
No doubt. And there's research backing this up. We're already seeing studies showing how AI can really improve healthcare outcomes.
So it's not just hype then. This is having a real impact.
Real-world impact happening now.
It's no wonder. Everyone is talking about it online. Your research shows healthcare professionals are excited. Patients are excited. Everyone is ready for the benefits.
It's definitely a huge moment for healthcare. But, and this is important, we need to be smart about it. AI is a tool. It's not replacing human judgment.
Right. Ethics. That was a big theme in the articles you sent.
Absolutely. Data privacy, responsible use, all that.
We got to make sure we're using this powerful tech in the right way.
For good, exactly.
So we've seen AI's impact on healthcare education. But where else could this go? Those articles mentioned finance, education, even manufacturing.
Yeah.
AI seems to be popping up everywhere.
And that's just the start. Think about it. What we've talked about today, it's just a tiny snapshot of how AI is shaking things up, specifically in healthcare education. This is only the beginning.
You're right. And that makes me wonder, how is AI going to evolve? What other fields are going to be completely transformed?
Great questions. Questions we all need to be thinking about. This deep dive is really just a starting point for a much larger conversation.
So AI is not just a buzzword then. It's a force for change. And Adtalem and Hippocratic AI, they're at the forefront.
Leading the way. And if you want to keep exploring the world of AI, make sure to follow @AI for the People.
Great resource.
It is. They cover all kinds of AI innovations and breakthroughs, like comment, share your thoughts, be a part of the conversation. Who knows? Maybe you'll spark the next big idea.
Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. It's been eye-opening.
Absolutely. Always a pleasure.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep questioning the world around us.
Couldn't said it better myself.